Thasiki Tara Nitoida Technopol District Masi Block Manung Sana Laiba Filing Mall area da Khutlai paiba masel ki marakta nongmei kapnabagi thokdokta meeoi ani seekhibagi gamgi faida meeoi amabu nongmei na kapnabagi thokdokka mari leinaba authority na action loukhatte haina pendaba phongdoktuna COTU na Kangpokpi district ta leiriba leingakki loisang sing lonsinkhare khongjang haukhrai. Committee on Tribal Unity COTU gi thomising na maroina Kangpokpi district headquarters da leiba Town Employment Exchange Office, Zonal Education Officer gi office, Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council Kangpokpi gi office sing lonsin duna thingjin ke. COTU gi khongjang asiga mari lenena lup asigi wangang loi NJ Lun kipgena phongdokhibada Filing Mall amasung gamgi fai gi thodok adugi matang da action lokot pagaloina judicial inquiry sathanaba DEO Kangpokpi da takshin ke. Masidanatana ECI da fauba wakat ki aduba hojik faubi oina positive oiber response amata phangba leitri thodok sing adubu yaning da phongdok tuna tha sigi tang tara mari da Kangpokpi district ta pungkun mari gi total shutdown fauba sathakiba leikrai maram maduna ngasi numidang wairam fauba DEO gi maike dige action amata lokalak trabadi DEO gi office fauba solonsin duna thingjin bagi khongjang sangsilegani haiki.
Today we are compelled to close all district offices here in Kangpokpi. We have met a district election officer and petitioned him to take up necessary punitive action and made judicial inquiry on the perpetrators over two of our Kukizo volunteers at Filing Mall. And he has assured us that he will take all necessary action and measures to solve the issue. But our public, we are here to close all the offices today. But since he had requested this evening, failing which we will be liable to close even the office of the District Commissioner of Kangpokpi.